half-hearted love affairs. I need someone who really cares. Life is too short to play silly games. I promised myself I won't do that again. It's got to be. They make such mistakes. They are much too eager to give their love away. Well, I have been foolish too many times.